Hello everyone, welcome back to Jinamon channel. In today's recipe, I'm sharing with you how to make no-bake Oreo cheesecake. That's very easy to make. That's not just beautiful but delicious as well. Just look at this. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try. Let's get started. So you need Oreo cookies for this amazing recipe. I then took out the cream and then added it to my food processor. Pause it until you get to a breadcrumb consistency as seen in the video, and then add in melted butter. So once the melted butter is added, make sure you pause it for some few seconds again. You're looking for a moist consistency. So add in the melted butter and then pause it again. That's what you're looking for. It should be something like this. Set it aside. Make sure you grease your baking tray or your loaf pan and then line it with parchment paper. Use the back of your spoon to spread it and then make sure it's well leveled. So it should be something like this when done. Keep it aside, put it in the fridge from 15 to 30 minutes. Next, in a bowl of water, add in gelatin and then soak it for about 10 minutes. Make sure to let it get soft. Once it's soft, squeeze out any water from the gelatin and add it to hot milk. Make sure your milk is hot. You want it to get dissolved completely, so make sure the milk is hot. Stir it until the gelatin has dissolved completely and keep it aside. Next, you're going to need a bowl and a double cream or whipping cream. So add your whipping cream to the bowl. Add in the cream that you took from the cookies and then whisk until it is creamy. Once it is creamy, go ahead and add in your cream cheese. So I used mascarpone cream cheese. You can use any cream cheese of your choice, and then when done, whisk until it's firm. So once it's firm, go ahead and add in the cream mixture, the milk mixture, and then whisk again until it has combined well. It should be something like this when done. So bring out the cookie and then scoop the cream cheese in. Make sure it's leveled well. Put it back in the fridge again from 2 to 4 hours. 6 hours should be better, but from 2 hours it's okay. Next, you're going to need a salted caramel. I'm still editing this video, so stay tuned. Maybe tomorrow I'll post it. Wait until it has doubled in size and then transfer it into a piping bag. So this is what we're going to use to decorate on top of the cheesecake. After 4 hours, all you have to do is to bring out your cheesecake and then decorate it on top as demonstrated in the video. That's very easy to make, trust me. And this is not just beautiful, it turned out delicious as well. So I left space in the middle and then I decorated it with the cheese, with the cookies. So if you want, you can decorate it all with the caramel sauce, or you can just do it like I did mine, which is very beautiful. I hope you're going to give this amazing recipe a try, and I hope you're going to give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page, and guys, just look at this. Like I said, this is not just beautiful but delicious as well. Please try this amazing recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section, guys. Just look at it. Love you all. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and stay blessed.